Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Sky Asia. And for today's video, we're gonna be doing a maintenance vlog. Okay, I'm excited. I love when I do maintenance vlogs, and it's about that time. And let my lashes get as bad as my other ones did. Yeah, we're gonna be doing some new colors, really getting outside my comfort zone. Only going to one store, and that's Sally's. I need to get some hair color because I'm about to dye one of my wigs, y'all. The original color was purple, and I'm about to be dyeing it blue. Here's some pictures of like the color I'm going for. I feel like it would kind of like fit me, and I don't know, like I'm just ready for like a change, something different. And yeah, I'm also gonna be trying a new nail shape. I'm gonna be trying almond stiletto, which I'm a square type of gal, so I don't know how that's gonna be. Like I'm really just, yeah. Okay guys, but apparently it was not there. I'm pretty sure I just went to the wrong store and got like mixed up, but now that I think about it, I got the hair color from Quarter to 10, which is in San Marcos. So I'm kind of mad I drove over here for nothing, but it's okay because I'm just gonna go to Quarter to 10 because I knew I wasn't tripping. I was like, I could have sworn I bought some hair color from here. Hey guys, so now I feel like I came here for no reason. I came here and I didn't find anything. And then, what the heck is on my face? Tell me why I tried to search up Quarter to 10 and they're freaking close till freaking 1. So I think I'm just gonna go home and start working on my nails. $1 billion on an elevator. Goddamn. Mama taught me good home training. My daddy taught me how to love my haters. My sister told me I should speak my mind. My man made me feel so goddamn fine. Okay guys, so I finished the application and I filed them and stuff. And I feel like they look so weird because I don't have nothing on them. But at the same time, I feel like a witch. Like, I feel like this is something a witch would have. But I feel like at the same time, they're kind of cute because these aren't pointy. It's like a stiletto almond. So, I don't know. I feel like once I decorate them, though, they're going to look really cute. But it's 1:23. Quarter to 10 should be open. So, I'm about to leave and go to Quarter to 10 real quick so I can get my blue dye. Y'all, tell me why I drove out here and like the Quarter to 10 store, like it's open, but she said that their Wi-Fi came out, so she's basically not like letting anyone in because, you know, like they can't buy anything. So I'm freaking screwed, and the ones in Austin are closed, and I just wanted to do this all in one day. But I could have sworn when I went to the store I had seen like some watercolor hair dye, so I'm gonna go to this Dollar General out here, and then if I don't see anything, I'm gonna just try the one by the house. Okay, there's these ones. Purple. This is like the ruby red I was talking about, but I think I'm gonna wait. And then I think they got black. I think I'm gonna get 2 blues. I got really lucky. Y'all, so I got so lucky, but I am mad because I could have been checked the one by the house, but at the same time I was searching it up and it wasn't popping up that it was just at your typical Dollar General store. So, but I'm happy that I decided to check. Oh, I'm so excited because I thought my video was ruined. Dang, I actually already have a pot upstairs, so let me put it on high. This is my pot I use for like dyeing all of my wigs. Oh, but I'm happy I saw black there, but I was basically saying I feel like this would look cute if I just dyed it black. This pink wig is gonna get dyed to a cherry red, not like this bright red. I want like a dark cherry red, not maroonish. But y'all look, y'all see this? This is the wig we're bringing to life. I didn't have to bleach the knots. That's one thing I love about a blonde wig. But this is a really nice wig. I think I got this from Shein. I got this one from Amazon. But yeah, so we don't have much to clean up for when it gets dipped anyway. But yeah, I'm gonna be starting off with the top. I'm just gonna, and that's also another thing, you gotta I gotta comb this before I even think about dipping it, y'all. Hey guys, this is so ghetto, but the first hand is done and I feel like they look cool. I'm still growing with them. It's definitely out of my comfort zone and it's different. And then I only had enough time to do 2 of them. Oops, what's that? Oh, that's hair dye. I only had enough time to do 2 on this side, so I'm gonna finish these 3 other nails when I get done with her lashes. And I'm doing my double dip now for my hair color, so I'm excited about that. Y'all, the wig looks amazing. I'm happy that I colored it 2 times. It doesn't look like it's light to dark. It honestly looks like one solid color. At first I thought it was gonna look like it was black steel, like a jet blue, if that makes sense. But you can actually tell it's blue, especially next to the black wig. But I'm about to go in with my blow dryer and just blow dry most of it, mainly the ends. And then I'm about to go and finish up the other nails. And then I have to choose if I want to do my lashes or toes next. I feel like I'm going to do my lashes because my toes don't look as bad as my lashes do. Also, I just found out that I have blue lashes. So I was thinking if I wanted to put blue color at the end, but we'll see. Wig off now, which ooh, feels so good. But this is a finished product.
Cause I don't wanna hurt nobody. Did it over text, didn't call me. Still got love for your mommy. I know you wanna be somebody, even if you gotta leave somebody.
Okay guys, so my lashes are done, and the funny part is every time I do a feel on my lashes, I always feel like I do them too thick until like the next day. That's when I actually start to feel my lashes, and I'm like, okay, this isn't that bad. And we're gonna start the wig install. Period, y'all. Okay, I'm feeling it. Okay guys, it's morning. I decided to get up early and try my best to do my toes and hair now because I have 4 clients today, and I don't think I'm gonna feel like working on myself in between, because I feel like I'm gonna be more focused on trying to like eat and edit.
Whoa, yeah, look at me dead in my eyes. I know that you know that I ain't lying. Too much respect. All of my shorty BDs, they know not to try. Too much respect. I used to hand out CDs before they would buy. Whoa, she love me so much, it seems like she buys. Don't know how I live, but that's cause they live at the high. Hey. 4L steps, he stepping up to the spot. He brought me the money, stood up. I still had to count it, I cannot just hide. Whoa,
My toes are done. I've got about low-key like 20 minutes, so I'm just gonna try my best and just do my hair a little bit. Okay guys, cause I'm already feeling it, y'all. This color is so pretty on me. Like, if we're being honest, I think I like the blue more than the purple, and I feel like the purple was way more revealing than this blue anyway, especially since it's darker. But okay, because I'm about to make some TikToks. Like, okay guys, but that's the end of the video. Period. Yeah, but I'm actually growing into the hair. I can't wait to see how it looks when it's just like regularly curled as well. I feel like that's gonna look cute. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys for watching, and bye. Bye bye.